I don't know if I'm going to insert this at the beginning or the end, but I am currently working on a giveaway for you guys. I'm going to be giving away embellishment lashes from their Better Than Faux Mink lashes collection. I'm going to be giving out 2 lashes each to 3 winners. In order to be a contestant and to win, what you will have to do is, 1, be following me on my Instagram at Paige_Monet. Also be following Embellishment Lashes, which is Embellishment Lashes, I believe, and I'll have it linked down below in the description box as well, and probably pinned into the, sorry y'all, it's like a flyaway, and I'll probably also have it pinned in the comment section down below as well, where you would have to go. So you would have to be following them, following me on Instagram, and be a subscriber. Those are the only 3 things that you need to have. After you've completed that, my post for this video, which you will see with like me in this hair, I want you to comment done. Once I see done, I will check and see that you follow both pages, and I will pick a winner. So if you want to win, if you know how to put you some lashes on, some strip lashes, girl, and you want to win some free ones, some free quality ones that you can wear up to 23 times, baby, because these are arrogant. And I've already worn these like 4 times, honey. And I took this to the makeup artist, and she put them back on for me just for this video. So if you want to win a pair of lashes that will last you versus going to the beauty supply store and getting you some that you have to throw away and keep going and buying new ones, you got some that you can just reuse, clean and reuse. And I have all this linked below as well, because hair was flying all in my face and I feel like I probably didn't make any sense. But I will link all of that in the description box below. Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige, and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige. If this is your first time watching, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that like button as well. Today I do have another Helluva Colorful Summer wig for you guys, and as you can see from the title, it's orange, baby. But before we get into that, if you have any questions about this hair right here, because I do wear old hair that I previously reviewed on my channel, to start off my videos, this is the Slove hair that I got that was originally black that I ombre. I will have it in the info card up above for the wig review, as well as the how to ombre it. So I have both of those linked up above, or probably at the end of this video as well, so that you can watch that, or linked in the description. So just look around and you'll find different things that you can interact with on my channel. My makeup today is brought to you by Glitz Artistry, and her name is Tracy. She also has a YouTube channel, and I will link it down below as well for Glitz Artistry. Check out her videos. She has nice vlogs, hair tutorials, and makeup tips. So I have it linked below for you to check her out and subscribe to her as well. Okay, so y'all know I am real with y'all. I keep it 100% real with y'all. Like, I know some people think that like YouTubers, they get paid to do these reviews, so they're like lying to you. Well, I'm not sponsored, and even if I was, I wouldn't lie to you. And I, used to be in your same seat. That's really what caused me to be a YouTuber, is that I wanted hair. I didn't see reviews for certain hair, or I would see people say like, oh, this reviewer said that this hair was this type of quality, but when I ordered it, it was trash and it fell out. So I got my hair today from swagbeauty.com. I've watched plenty of reviews about it, only because I was looking for colorful hair, for my series, and their company came up a lot with different colors. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna order, a couple of wigs from them. In the reviews that I saw, those YouTubers, they got wig boxes that came with different things inside as well. So I was expecting, a nice little wig box. I ordered 3 wigs, so you'll see these within the next couple of weeks. And when I got it, I was really like disappointed, because it came in like a regular like plastic FedEx bag. It wasn't in a wig box. Pretty much it came with like a wig cap and my wig, which is fine. I was a little bit disappointed about the box, I'm not gonna lie. So if you watch other videos for Swag Beauty and you saw them get boxes, you're not getting a box, I'm just telling you. I mean, I wish that was something that they would do for their regular consumers that are paying for it. I would like a nice box, you know, but it is what it is. So the wig I have for you today, she is orange. And give me one second, let me get the name for you. Okay, so she is called Janay Silky Straight. They also have this orange one in curly. These do take up to 400 degrees of heat, so I could curl it. I could make it more straight than what it already is, which I'm probably gonna have to do anyway on this because I think it's a little bit curled up as far as styling the wig. It is synthetic. For this one I paid was $59, which is decent. I mean, it's really thick, I would say that. And sorry, I'm taking the netting off now. It's really thick, and the color is just so nice. Like, do you see that? Yes. The cap construction is a regular construction. 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back with the adjustable strap. The lace is pretty transparent. It has like a little brown tint to it. And they say that the parting, they said 2 inches of parting. I don't think that's 2 inches. I think that's like 1 inch. So you can do a middle part or a side part, but it's just know that your part is gonna be really limited. So let me take this off and I'll show you what it looks like with the lace on. I really just be throwing my weeds anywhere, y'all. In here. So I will be right back. Hang in my brush. And it's pretty long. I'm not sure how many inches. I can put it down in the description box below if they have the details of that. Now it is a little bit tangled at the end, I will say that. I think it's because it's so thick. And it was just bought up in a bag, and it is synthetic. But y'all, this color is everything. And so, like I said, that's how much parting space you have. Not much, but it's something. I think I would do like a side part with it. Do like a deep though, but like a decent side part. I will say, like, as far as like how to manage it, it's not as smooth as like some of the other synthetic wigs I've gotten. Like, look at that. That's a lot of issues right there. But for this color, I think it's worth it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It is a bit shiny coming off on camera, but in real life, it's not like really shiny in real life. It just looks like that because of the lights in the camera, but it really is like, I don't think you would have to dull it out. I know people will dull out their synthetic wigs if they're on the shiny side with like, what is it? Like dryer sheets. You take the dryer sheets and you like rub it through to get rid of the shine, but it's not like really shiny like that. It's just, I think it's just the iridescentness of the color. I would need to straighten it some more. I know that much. This wig, or the wig that I got coming for you next week, well, not next week, week after next, I probably will cut one of these into a bob, but that'll be a separate video. What y'all think? Should I take this one and turn it into a bob? I would do like here. What y'all think? Should I turn it into a bob? Y'all want to see that? Let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and maybe do some baby hairs if I feel like it. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so now that I've cut off the lace, this is how it looks. I put it back into a middle part, as you can see. I don't know if I want to do the middle part or the side. I like both. I really do like both. I know that I probably will have to do some baby hairs on it. I don't really want to, but I just might. I really like this. What y'all think? I like this color. It is really like attention grabbing. Like, hey, look at me. I'm orange. Am. But so back into the company. So how the process went, I ordered the hair on like a late Wednesday night. I would say like 2-3 in the morning on a Wednesday night. So I guess technically Thursday morning when I ordered the hair. Got the instant email back about, you know, placing your order, thank you, blah blah. And then I didn't get this package was not shipped out with my hair until the following Wednesday. Now online it says that their processing time is can take up to 4 days, and that depends on if the wig is in stock or not. All the wigs that I ordered did say that they were in stock, but I know that this is one of their popular ones. So if this is something that you do want to order, I say make sure that you see if it's in stock. Also, like I said, it did take exactly 4 days, 4 business days for my items to ship out. I got the tracking number, and I have been tracking it the whole week, only because I work. So me trying to get my packages is really hard. That's why I didn't do a video for you last week, because I was waiting for this hair to come, but it didn't come as quick as I thought. So that made me not able to record last week. But anyway, once I got the hair, I rushed to my leasing office to get the package, and it was only one, I didn't see the box, so that was the first disappointment, and two, it was only one wig in the bag. So I was like, oh my gosh. So I did reach out to them on their contact information, which is their email. She did get back to me really quickly, like within like 20 minutes she responded and gave me a second tracking number that I was not originally given, and the other package was sent through regular mail and was actually in my mailbox. So I kind of felt some type of way about that too, just a little bit, only because I wasn't given both tracking numbers. So I really was like freaking out, thinking that like I ordered 3 wigs and I only got one, but luckily it did come in the mail. As far as the hair, I do like the hair, I do like the color. It's synthetic, so when it comes to synthetic wigs, I judge them not too harshly because it's synthetic. Like, it's not real hair. This one, like I said, it does tangle a little bit. Any type of motion, like extreme motion, definitely like makes it like tangle just a little bit. That's one con that I don't like about this, which I've never have had happen with my synthetic so far. But I think I would have to give this a little bit more time to really like play around with it and see how it holds up. Like I said, I possibly might cut that into a bob like right here. Yeah, I think that's cute. Cut it into a bob like here, and I'll show that to you guys as well. As far as the company, Swag Beauty is black owned, so I was just rooting for Swag Beauty to like not have anything go wrong and for them to win. But the fact that my stuff came in a plastic bag, and I was really expecting a wig box, and then the whole thing with the whole shipping, like it kind of like skewed like how I feel about the company. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, because I'm honest. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I really was rooting for the company because, like I said, it's black owned. But they were really nice. They did respond to me quickly, so that does take them back up a notch. So as far as the company is concerned and like their shipping and processing, I give them like a 7.2 out of 10. I give them like a 7.2. As far as this wig, I give the wig like a 8.5. And I said 8.5 because, one, the color is amazing. Like, this is really colorful. This is really nice. It's not super shiny. It's really cute. It can be straightened. So I really do like that about that. I don't like that it said 2 inches apart in space, and they say 1 inch is like your thumb up to this line, and this is just 1 inch. That's not 2 inches. So that took away a point, as well as some of the tangling. That took away some points, and I did get some strands in my brush, so it does shed just a little bit. But like I said, it is synthetic, and if you're looking for something quick and colorful, I think this is a good wig as far as color and doing its job. I don't think that this is probably one that I can wear like a lot. Like my other synthetics, I think this is just like a event type of hair. Like if I was to wear it multiple times, it's for events where I'm probably not moving a lot and I'm in a well air conditioned place and I'm not sweating. I think that is where I would wear this. But I really do love this wig, I'm not gonna lie. I hope this review didn't sound negative, because I wasn't negative about it. It's just like I said, the whole shipping thing, and it threw me off of my whole like recording schedule. Like that did make me feel some type of way. But all in all, I do love the hair. Like I said, and I'll go back and put a side part in one more time for you. And I'm part with my nails. You see what I'm saying? Like right there, any type of like movement tangles it a little bit. Like that's what I don't like. But then again, it's synthetic, so keep that in mind. But definitely with the side part, I would have to put out like some baby hairs. So you would have to go down to my social media down below and see on my Instagram how I actually ended up styling it, as far as if I added baby hairs to it and things like that. What y'all think? I think y'all might like the middle part better. Middle part versus side part. And I think I'm doing the middle part. But thank you guys for watching. Didn't mean for this video to be so long. I feel like I was a chatterbox, but you guys know I just love talking to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and come back next week. I will have another Helluva Colorful Summer wig for you, and I'm not sure what color I'm gonna post. It might be yellow, it might be green, it might be blue. Who knows? So I'll see you next time, and thank you so much for watching.